Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain counts. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Overnight prices are pretty quiet. Beans up about a penny, corn and wheat's down about a penny. Yesterday, when we were looking at all the different market outlooks, they thought that maybe corn and wheat would be higher because of the record short position by the managed funds, and that we have dry weather across parts of Europe and wet weather across parts of the United States. So it could see two rain events in the next week or so, midweek this week and over the weekend, that could slow farmers' planting of the corn crop. In the beans, we thought maybe the large South American crops, large global stock crops, could offer resistance to the bean market. But instead, it looks like beans are supported in part because of maybe some pricing that China needs to do, and secondly, maybe South American farmers are not selling as much beans as they normally do to this point. We've got the export inspections today. Beans somewhere around 20 million bushels, corn maybe a little under 50 million bushels, and wheat somewhere around 20 million bushels. Historically, the bean numbers start coming down because of the competition out of South America. We're still favorably priced in the corn market as far as exports are concerned. And wheat, the Russian wheat prices are still cheaper than ours, but we'll just kind of see what kind of weather they have down the road. We also expect that about 6 to 7% of the U.S. corn crop will be planted to date. The 5-year average is about 9%, so we're falling a little bit behind average. So we'll see if we chop around in the marketplace. Outside markets, the increased tension in Southeast Asia probably has the dollar a little weaker. We're also watching some U.S. data that might suggest our economy is slowing, which could result in less interest rate hikes by the Feds down the road. We had a weak close on Friday in the stock market. Looks like it's going to open up a little bit better, but it continues to show signs of maybe some at least congestion in the marketplace. And crude oil is down, and I think there's just too much oil here in the United States versus what OPEC is doing. All this tension continues to push gold higher and making new highs every day. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.